present number 2. Open it. Here. What is it? Yay! Oh, look, you got a teddy bear. Look at that, Jake.
Hi, I'm Teddy. It's time for my checkup. Hello, doctor. I'm Teddy Bear. I'm glad you're here. It shows you care. Check my heart. Check my
Look.
ears. And make sure I'm fine.
Yay! Clap, clap. Clap, 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 clap. Press the button. Look. Oops.
Check my hands.
Yeah. Okay. Look. Actually, these are the first presents Jacob's ever unwrapped because normally Garrett's the first one to unwrap all the presents. So he hasn't had a chance to open any presents. These are the first ones. Very good, Jake. All right, on to number 3.